seen a green one? I've seen a green one. If you're ever lonely, find a Fuggler. If you're ever sad, get unbuckle your toy box and put one in your bag. Put one in your bag. Yeah. Do you like Fugglers? I like Fugglers. Have you seen a green one? I've seen a green one. If you're ever lonely, find a Fuggler. If you're ever sad, get unbuckle your toy box and put one in your bag. And put one in your bag. Yeah. Planet Colebop's got you covered, so why don't you subscribe? He's got lots of great new videos for you to watch at night. So just let's hit that like and hit that sub, and I'll keep you up to date. Follow me for fun time videos.